Looking for a door lock switch that fits perfectly and works just like the original? This replacement switch offers exactly that, designed to match both the look and function of your vehicle's factory part. Whether your current switch failed from wear or just won't stay mounted, this is the dependable fix you need. What sets this switch apart is its durable construction. Made from quality materials, it's built to last and deliver consistent performance. Backed by a team of automotive experts in the United States with over a century of combined experience, you can trust this switch to hold up under daily use. Plus, it's a direct replacement, so installation is straightforward and hassle-free. One satisfied customer shared how they used the bezel from this product to secure their 1995 Chevy G20 van switch, solving a tricky mounting issue with ease. To ensure this door lock switch fits your exact vehicle, simply enter your make, model, and trim level into the garage tool. If you're ready for a reliable, long-lasting solution that restores your door's locking function, this switch is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's convenience and security.